Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video is a Majorette 5-pack that I picked up at TK Maxx. It's the Aussie equivalent to the American TJ Maxx. I think they're normally about $35, but I picked it up for like $20. And I got this mainly for the Mercedes-Benz 190E. It's also got a couple of Corvettes, a Nissan, and a Renault. Okay, let's get them out of the pack and take a look at them individually. Okay, those are the cars out of the packaging. That's the artwork on the box. Apparently this one's a 90's Youngster gift pack. And I think most of them have moving parts, so that's pretty decent. So the Mercedes-Benz has opening doors. Both the Corvettes have opening bonnets, so hoods. The Renault has opening doors, and the Nissan has an opening bonnet as well. And those are the cars. All right, let's get them out of the cardboard. All right, guys, those are the cars out of the cardboard box and packaging. Let's look at them one by one. Then I'm going to put them on the turntable one by one as well to get a full 360-degree look. First one we got here is a Renault. Majorette's pretty good. Growing up, I used to collect Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Majorette, and Seiko. But now there's just way too many brands out there, and I always keep saying in my videos, it's a collector's era. This present time, there's Greenlight Collectibles, there's Mini GT, Tarmac Works, Inno 64, Para 64, and then there's a whole lot of brands, unofficial, unlicensed brands coming out of China, like Time Micro, Seeker, GCD, Gaincorp, Diecast. There's X-Car Toys, who are specializing in a series of models under the Pop Race banner. There's Jackie Kim Diecast, JKM Diecast. There's just way too many models and brands coming out of China. But the best thing about those, they're very detailed. You can't even think about comparing your Hot Wheels premiums or even Matchbox stuff to those releases. I'll try and get to them eventually in my unboxing videos. Going back to this one's got opening doors. Yes, it does. Pretty neat. It's got plastic headlights, painted fog lights. It's got the Renault logo. Not a lot of detailing. There's no detailing whatsoever on the dashboard. But tail lights, Renault again. If I can focus. Yep. Renault Silo exhaust. But that's just plastic. And the wheels turn. But there's no real rider tires, rubber tires like Hot Wheels premiums, but still quite happy with it. And from my memory, if my memory is correct, Majorette is a French brand and Seiko is a German brand. I know they're all made in China, but yeah. All right, this one's a Nissan. Pretty decent model. Like the detailing on these. Majorette always does a good job. And this one is a Nissan Zafira. Nissan Zafira 831. Oh, these ones are made in Thailand. Okay, cool. And this one's got no opening doors. I think this one's got the bonnet or the hood, if I'm correct, going by the artwork. Oh, yes. It's got a teeny tiny engine, but no chrome or any other detailing. I'm not complaining though. Pretty neat. I'll put them on the turntable one by one again. Alright, looking at the Corvette now. I love the red. I love this 5-spoke rim as well. Beautiful. But once again, no rubber tires, just plastic chassis as well. But overall, it's a beauty. The red reminds me of the Ferrari models. They could have darkened the taillights to make them stand out, but oh well. Now I have to paint the exhaust with chrome. I'll do it later. Yeah. And this one's got the opening. Oh, not too bad. Alright, the highlight in this pack for me, and the reason I got this pack, what was this one here? I missed out on the Mini GT release. They've done a pretty good job, but thank God I was able to find a brand from China called Seeker, and they've done this in dark metallic green, black, silver, I think white as well, but they're much more detailed. They're like one step ahead. They've put a little metal proper logo, like a real life logo that literally stands on top of the bonnet. Same plastic headlights, but they also have plastic taillights, and they've got a chrome exhaust. The side mirrors are chrome too, but it's still pretty neat. I quite like it. And this one's got opening doors. Yes, it does. Like same thing. No interior detailing whatsoever. But yeah, it's a pretty neat finish. It's got 6-spoke rims. Nice black paint finish. Yeah, pretty decent. And this one's the Mercedes-Benz 190E. Is it Evolution? Yeah, Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5-16 Evolution 2. That really stands out. Alright, last one in this 5-pack box set is the yellow Corvette. Oh, I love the taillights on this one. I'm going to add the chrome later. Okay. Yeah, pretty neat wheels. Plastic base chassis, and the same thing opening bonnet or hood. Yeah, pretty neat. Quite happy. I'll just put them on the turntable and then we can wrap it up. Okay, I've got the Renault on the turntable, guys. Quite happy with it. I just quickly open the doors to show what's on offer from Majorette. Next one on the turntable, I've got the Nissan Zafira. I think I'm going to have to add some black on the sides to make it look neater. Then I put some chrome on the exhaust and chrome on the engine, chrome on the side mirrors. Just spruce them up a little bit and make them look better, way better. And this one, I'm pretty sure had the hood and the bonnet. All right, let's get the next car up. The red Corvette, guys. And this one had the opening hood. Okay, let's book the Mercedes-Benz 190E. And this one had opening doors, so let's open them up. Okay, the last one out of the 5-pack is the yellow Corvette. I'll put that on the turntable now. And this one had the opening hood bonnet as well. Alright guys, those are the 5 cars we had a look at today out of the Majorette Youngster gift pack from the 90s. We had the blue Renault, the white Nissan, the red Corvette, the black Mercedes-Benz 190E, and the yellow Corvette. I'll just open up all the parts. Okay, that's the cars with their opening parts, respective opening parts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay in touch, stay blessed, and thanks for watching guys. God bless you all.